Oh, it's a bit high. Edinburgh. Sorry, I'm on my tippy toes, it's funny. What? Imagine. No. So I'm here in Edinburgh again, a lovely November morning. And I just kind of want to show you my personal favourite route to get from here to there, Edinburgh Castle, with as many photo opportunities as possible. This is just the most obvious tourist spots that you can do with some hidden secrets, but I want to hit all the main points. So today I'm going to be shooting on a Canon 5D Mark IV with my trusty 24-70 2.8, which is about the equivalent of the 1855s that non-full frame cameras get. So if you're on your way to Edinburgh and you're wondering what's the most efficient, fun way to get around all the spots, here we go. Also get yourself a bottle of brew. This is how high up you are. I'm like a piglet. Ready to do one of the most overshot shots in Edinburgh. So personally I shoot at aperture priority and keep the aperture as wide open as possible to keep the shutter speed high as possible and keep that ISO as low as possible. If you're visiting Edinburgh and you've got a nice winter sunset, 100% recommend Calton Hill, baby, because that sun just comes right down about here. It's perfect. Now if you've got a good zoom lens, you want to come to this spot. So the slightly hidden spot, which I love, again, if you have a zoom lens, you want to be coming here because you get a direct view straight down Princess Street, which, say I'm on a 70 here, not great, but if you can get up to like 150, 200, you are making money. Now we got our 3 seat. Easy shot. Like I say, just do easy shots. Just gets you warmed up. So I like the green high-vis. I quite like the awkward angle of this. So as we come down the start of Princess Street, you're going to want to head to this Scots Monument and then turn right. The traffic ain't moving anywhere. Keep this camera on. If you can get low enough, you get a great shot of the monument. And I'm fortunate here to have a nice bus to cause a reflection. I can't believe the timing. The sun is literally through that tiny little gap. That's hilarious. Look! You just got this beam of light coming through the middle of it. Right, while we wait for the sun. I can't believe that though. I have the whole time of the day and all the heights right there. I know I can't really get the sun, but I get like a double reflection. Scots Monument's here, so you want to come down past Waverley, spins. You're going to head way towards the Mile. You can't see over this bit. There you go. Nice retreat set. Yeah, the sun coming in Balmoral's nice though. Nothing special. Sorry, I love your jumper.
Oh, thank you.
I love it, it's so cool. Can I photograph you having a smoke? Because the sun coming behind you looks great.
Sure.
Perfect, so if you just want to have a wee... Oh, one sec. Where's this one? I'm trying to...
Mouth or the nose?
Whatever you fancy, man. Oh, I'll do one more if that's alright.
Okay.
Oh, that's cool. That's great. Appreciate it, man. Thanks so much. Have a good day. Oh, wait. I can maybe do something like that. As long as there's no one there seeing me. Perfect. Selfie. God, the sun's bright. And I'm wearing layers, so I thought it was going to be cold. Why is it always done? I have someone that's red. That guy's red. Come on, hope this red jacket wifey stands out. Welcome to the Royal Mile. Although the sky looks pretty. How easy shot is that? How did my dumbass not realise that when everyone was around the bloody poppy bit with the wee tombstones they put out for Remembrance Day, not realise it's Remembrance Day, and then when I went onto the bloody mile at 11, today must be the 11th then, how have I not clicked what was going on until everyone was standing about, and then I dumbass just walked out in front of everyone taking photos of myself in mirrors. A great spot here is Advocates Close, about halfway up. It's a lovely bit, but move down a wee bit. Boom. Shot of the Scots Monument. We'll bring this up because I want a shot of both the monument and this little lantern thing. Can I get them the same height? Can you get them the same height? I think that's the same height. Are they both in focus? One of them I've got, surely. Yep. Bingo. So yeah, Advocates Close. Here we go. Now, this one I've never noticed before on the mile. You got this heart. My dad told me about it. For the football club Hibs. This guy looks cool as fuck. I'm nowhere near close enough, I'm going to cross over. Excuse me, can I take a photo of you?
Yeah.
Do you get this all the time?
I do,
Yeah. You can see why. No, but cheers, man. I want to be like you when I grow up. How long you had the beard for? 5 years. I like the rings. I've got a wee octopus one too. Where'd you get yours from?
Great Frog.
Dude, that's where mine's. My wedding ring's a Great Frog. It's good shit. Hey man, it's good to meet you. Too. I don't know if you've seen there, but we've actually got the same tattoo. I've got a wee swallow here, and he's got one on him. Is that me from the future? Can I photograph your dog? Thank you so much. Oh no, he's keen. He's a keen model. Oh, hello. I'll let you get across. Thank you though. So now I bet you're wondering, you're like, here, what's going on? Castle's right there. You're just taking us in a pretty much straight line. This is no tour. And also, how's the video got so much longer left? It's because we're not going straight to the castle, is it? So just wait a minute whilst I do my thing. You get to hear this cool thing. Boom. Nothing in it. Not a great shot, just a photo. You turn left. Has there been a point in this video where I've not had bagpipes in the background? I'm going to get DMCA strikes. Right, the lighting here is going to be stunning. Oh, sorry man. Over the sea to sky. Wait for it. Do, 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 do. I've not heard that song since I was in primary school and I did it in a recorder, and yet I know every note. What's going on here? Why is it so busy? You're ruining my shot, guys. Over the sheetish sky. See if someone was to come up here. See, I love the lines. wonder if I can get someone interesting. Screw you, Burns Express. I'll go low. That was it. Yeah, that was gold. Finally! Maybe at 35 here. Like that. That's a really nice shot. Here. Oh, I sat down. Had a busy day. Pass. Okay, don't come here so early because see the sun. If the sun was pushing over this way a bit more and hitting the colours, that'd been good. Guess what though? The sun's not there yet. Yo, if I can get these guys in red quickly. That's what I wanted. Look, Edinburgh Castle. I've never actually looked from this point of view. I've always walked across there, so I've never seen it before. That looks very cool. I can go this way a bit more because the shadow coming through these trees looks very nice. Very good. Very nice. Oh, I've totally forgotten to give directions. So when you hit the bottom of the Grassmarket, from the Cold Town House, yeah I was right, and the castle, you want to come up these steps on the left here. So these steps are called the Vennel steps. And very popular spot, but still missed by a lot of people. You just gotta go, man, Edinburgh's filled with steps, man. Vennel steps, baby. I'll go low first. I'm gonna zoom in. I just love this spot. Every time of year. It's incredible. That little detour took us Victoria Street, Grassmarket, Vennel steps, brought us back up, and that's where we went down, because this is that building again. So it's just been a big circle. And you have two ways of going about this. If you want to get straight to the castle, you can just go left. But, full opportunities. Let's see what else there is. So I personally enjoy using the electronic live view thingy-bobby over the viewfinder. I feel I can just compose it a lot easier, so I can see the photo and don't have to put it to my eye. Also, it means I can easily move up and down a lot faster without having to move my whole body. And also, it make for rubbish content if you couldn't see what I was doing. This is the actual size of the camera. I've just got this battery grip. Reason for that is just for my work. You got two batteries in here, so you get twice the battery life. Great. Secondly, because it's got the buttons here, I can take portraits without having to do this, and it's a lot more comfortable. I feel if you take photos of them, you should give them money. So I'm going to take a photo of them and have a banging shot. Also, I suppose taking this kind of longer route gives you more of a grander entrance to Edinburgh Castle. Camera obscuras here if you're in Edinburgh. You've got to try it out. Love my glasses and it hurts my eyes even more. Can I take a photo of you? Huh? Can I take a photo of you? I love your beard. Yeah. Yeah, fair. I think with the castle it's like fate. Oh, this happens all the time, I'm so sorry. There was another guy, an older guy with a beard as well, he says it happens all the time. No one stops for my photo though, I think. That's wicked. And can I get you looking towards this lovely lady here? Yeah. Yeah. There we go. That's perfect. Cheers, man. Have a good day. Yeah, of course, man. And the castle. Nice and easy. Here, I'm not gonna lie. That wife in the phone just had a great shot. That girl got it. I didn't even notice this. You know that moment where you just look at everyone and you realise everyone has their own life and their own stories and their whole years and years of knowledge and experience and memories. Just every single one has their own happiness and problems. It's weird. I was here to take photos and give you a tour, but now I'm having a bloody existential crisis. I'm just standing here talking to myself about it. I'm gonna keep walking. This guy. Can I? There you go. Trying to get like detail. He's in a wide. A lovely spot. That's the end. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. That was pretty much it. I don't know what a normal sign-off is. I don't want to do this like, comment, subscribe nonsense. I've just had a really nice day. But yeah, let me know other spots that you love in Edinburgh, and until next time, I guess. Look how this turned out. I had fun though. That's all that matters. I had good fun.